New Animal Company update, so let's check it out, boy. First, let me claim my daily flush. I'm stuck in the toilet. No, we're gonna get rid of the axe. I don't want it. No, I don't want. So there's bushes, and so I was right. Wait, there's a carnival. We're heading there. Wait, what? What is this? Huh? So, wait. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's a scarecrow. The scarecrow. So let's head to the graveyard. Nope, nah. What the heck are you? Check this first. The Great Sword. Each strike fuels its... I don't know what that says. That was... What? I don't know what to say. I just entered it, I'm already scared. Screw it, we're going in. Jesus. Dark in here. Okay, I think I can grapple. Hey, it's you guys again. I remember you. I remember you guys. Let's just... What even is this place? Can you guys stop coming? I'm literally trying to explore this place and you guys are in the way. But... Whoa. Stop! I'm trying to explore this place, and you guys are in the way! Oh, whatever. Oh. A key. Oh, no, I shrunk. Huh. Should I? This is actually scary. My glow stick's not lighting this place up one bit. That's how dark it is. Why are there more of you guys? Stay back! I have a lightsaber. I'm a Jedi, okay? Stay back. Ah! What is a chest? Wait, can they come in? They can! They can! Ammo? What am I supposed to do with that? Ah! What the heck? What the heck? What was that? What was that? Bro, what was that? What was that? What was that? Oh my god, that was terrifying. Oh god. Oh, I do not like this update. This is probably worse than the Halloween update. But where'd that thing go? I saw it go. Wait, there's a VHS. Let's get that first. Oh, that was terrifying. Oh. My heart is racing. Let's go put this in first before we explore. If this thing, bro, I hate that thing. What was that? Let's put this in first before we head over there. Again. How scary. Okay, there a new one? Where is it? Graveyard. Alright, we've got it. Let's see this place. Oh, I broke it. Alright, let's see the graveyard. I don't think there's a render of it. It's not working. Okay, I'm gonna head back over there and I'm not gonna open the chest after what just happened. Okay, bro, I hate the opening music. This is not welcoming. Wait, I see him going that way. Where's... Whoa, I see fire. Okay, let's go over there, I guess. What the heck? What is that? What kind of ritual's going on here? I'm scared to even go in there. I see the sis, I think. Or he's probably dead. What the heck? What is this place? The music is not friendly. What do I do? Do I go in it? Or... This is actually scary. I'm scared. What do I do? Do I go into it? Or do I not? No, we're gonna go into it later. That is weird. Why'd it get darker all of a sudden? We're not opening a chest. Wait, what's this over here? Oh. The circus! That's the circus! Whoa. Oh wait, this is Act 1. So I saw on the Animal Company YouTube, I saw on their YouTube channel that this is Act 1, so maybe Act 2 will be the circus. Whoa. That is cool. Wait, why can't we grapple onto this? Huh. Okay. Since there's barely anything over here besides that circus, that's cool. Oh no, are they rising? Okay, no. I'm gonna turn down my volume for when I go in there, because I don't know what I'm gonna even do. Alright, my volume's at like 1 right now. We're going in. What? Bruh. Really, bruh? Really, bruh? You scared me that much. For nothing. What's the point of this map then? So I get that the zombies are back. This is probably like a mini update, probably, I'm guessing. Cause, besides the heart attacks, and, why is it back? Why is it back? Why are you here? That thing reminds me of like that Jack in the Box thing from like Lethal Company. Oh, that's what you do. Okay, you summon more of these guys. Wow. Wow. How wonderful. He's like a zombie king or something. Hey bro, you gonna try and kill me? What was that? That was like jazz music. We're going for the kill. Hey, what are you doing? I hate that guy. So if I get close to him, it looks like he like starts walking away. Like starts running away. But that was the update, I guess. Let's check out on here the map. I think it's broken because it's not working. Is there anything else new in here? So there's a carnival map that's not opened yet. Oh, wait, we're going to cave? Lobby. Lobby's broken as well, I guess. Mines. Lobby. Okay, I think this update's glitched because I can't get in there. Like, I'm trying to look at the full scale of the graveyard, but I can't. So it's broken. Whoop. Wait, throw bones into the fire to summon a terrible We're doing that, I guess. Throw bones. You mean like these bones? I hope they're meaning by these ones. Alright, we got some. Oh wait, forgot. Can't come out. Oh, why am I heavy? Okay, I jumped out like one bone. And it's not even helping. Why is he still out here? Okay. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Yeah, but we're not dealing with them. So I'm scared to even know. What the? Why? Okay, I got your bones. Do I just... I'm going above it and I'm just gonna... No, I'm gonna go like... Did I just... Take my bones. Is it gonna summon the forest monster or something? Bruh. How many bones do I need then? No, we're gonna... So, I guess it's a lot. Stop summoning zombies! Why did I open that chest? No. I'm gonna put away my lightsaber. And I'm going, like, it wants bones. But I don't know. Okay, we're gonna put away my lightsaber. And it's probably gonna be a mistake later, probably. Alright, I'm at like the max. Oh yeah, this guy, this one. Oh no, I'm at like the max weight. That is not good. I hate like the chest guy. How does he work? So, from my perspective, oh god, how many zombies are even in that corner? What happened to like the 500 zombies that were just chilling in that corner? Alright. Time to drop all these bones into this ritual thing. I don't know. Oh, there's like a... There's like a ring around it. That's what it is. And once it's fully filled, it summons it. We're gonna need a big backpack for this. Is this whole video gonna be just me trying to open or summon just gigantic weird creature? I don't know what it even is. Is there even anything new in shop? No. But Capybara is gone. Oh, the ghost is here. Halloween stuff. Alright, we're gonna get bones. Ah. How do I get more bones, like, fast? Tech tree exists. I don't know what I'm even doing right now. We're gonna get some bones, and we're gonna throw them in the fire. Oh, is there anything on here? There's some stuff. The paintings have changed. Is that like a squid monster or something? I don't know. Give me my bone. No, we're just gonna go. I really hope the ring does not wear off, like, doesn't, because that would be terrible. Also, I would have to bring, like, a big flashlight in, just to brighten this room up. Why does he exist? Okay, so I'm glad that the zombies are back, but I'm not glad that that weird chest thingy exists. Okay, there's not a... Okay, it doesn't wear off. That's good. That's good. How many bones do I have to throw in it? No. Okay, it's not free. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Don't ask how I got out of there. Anyways, be sure to like and subscribe, and